po ay ginanap sa Miri, Sarawak, Malaysia. Napakagandang festival. If you notice, clown, puppet, and story festival. Because this was a festival combining all three festivals. Kasi alam mo, Nicolo, ay hindi ko to alam. Kaya nga, pinapaliwanag ko kasi sa'yo. Yung sa Miri kasi, annually meron silang puppet festival, clown festival, at yung storytelling festival. Eh dahil nga nagka-pandemic, hindi natuloy yung mga festivals na yan. Kaya ang ginawa nila, ngayong taon na to, itong 2023, pinagsama-sama nila yung tatlong festivals na na-cancel. Thus, naming it the Borneo Puppet Clown Story Carnival 2023 in Miri, Sarawak, Malaysia, organized by the Miri City Women Caring Association. At itong episode nga po na ito ay ipapakita namin sa inyo yung mga kaganapan, mga nangyari dun sa festival na yon. Of course, the Philippines was represented by my family, the Lunaria Marinette Show.
Ay, ako yan Ay, naalala ko yan, Tito Hanlu. Yan yung sa opening day.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen and children, for those of you who are watching, ito po yung opening day. Yung opening day kasi, yung day 1, we performed in 2 schools. And this was from the first school. Ayan, oh.
Ay, oo, kinantahan ko yung mga Malaysians from Miri. Naalala mo, Tito Hanlu?
Ay, oo, naalala ko, kumanta ka para sa mga bata during the ending. Of course, my wife also performed, and ayan si
Tita Debbie. Hi, Tita Debbie. Ayun, si Kuya Eli. Hi, Kuya Eli. Ayun yung mga marionettes nyo.
Tama. And there were, ayan, sobrang dami ng mga bata, Nicolo.
Opo, grabe, ang dami-dami. And this was just the first school. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, on the opening day, we performed in 2 schools.
Tama.